Hello, kindergarten. Today you have the opportunity to create patterns on a large brown piece of paper. You could have it be a theme, which is like an idea that kind of continues and repeats itself. When you think of wrapping paper, can you see in your mind some designs or things that repeat on that paper? Maybe it was Christmas paper or birthday paper where you unwrapped a gift and beforehand you saw this colorful paper. Well, you get to be the artist today and design your paper. So mine is going to have a holiday theme around Valentine's Day because that was just on Monday. So I'm going to pick out a couple different colors, and I just need one at a time so you can share with your table. So I think the colors I'll use are violet, red, magenta, and pink. Think about the different kinds of lines we learned this year. This is a diagonal line, and I could choose two colors. So I'm going to use magenta and then red. Magenta and then red. And now I have a pattern because it repeats. Magenta, red, magenta, red. Next, I could choose to use two different colors. And maybe this time I turn my paper to make it easier, but if you know how to draw a heart, one half, then curve up around and back down on a diagonal, other half of the heart. And I could repeat these in a pattern. You can even choose to, if you feel confident in your pattern, leaving space between and simply using one color and then the next. Violet, pink, violet, pink, violet, pink, violet. That also is a pattern. I could even choose to create a large heart to stick with my Valentine's theme and then do a pattern inside. And notice your hearts don't have to be the same on both sides. And if you run out of space and you want to continue your pattern, you could always make it bigger. Maybe you decide to do a pattern that's different with the different knowledge that you have of the different kinds of lines we've made. Maybe you want to make a line that is bumping, and they can be various sizes and bumps too. It's kind of like repeated rainbows, which is such a good and beautiful thing to see. Then I could choose to follow that with another color. And if I was going to stick with my pattern, I could go back to red. If you make a mistake, you can always fix it. I make mistakes all the time. It's part of problem solving. We learn something through that mistake and what we need to change or try again. It gives us perseverance. I hope you come up with a fun theme or pattern on your paper today. Then your teacher, Mrs. Schwartz, is going to come around and show you your snowman or snow person, and she's going to help you wrap them. The last step for you is putting your name on your wrapped snow person. If there's more time, she might even have a special story to read you. I hope you have an awesome time creating these beautiful patterns. I can't wait to hear all about them.